Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the on-off button in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new on-off button. The on-off button is located on the left side of the control panel. By pressing this button, the power to the dishwasher's control board turns on and off. The main reason why the on-off button would need to be replaced is if it breaks, making it difficult to turn the dishwasher on and off. We're going to open the door and using a Torx 20 screwdriver, I'm going to remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And I'm going to pull out the control panel. And lay it down. Now I'm going to use the small flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to lift up on this little tab here. And then I'm going to turn this top to this side. And then I'm going to release the sides here. On the opposite, there's 2 hooks. I'm going to push it and they will come off. Next, we're going to disconnect this power plug. I'm going to lift on those 2 wires and using the flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to press down the tab at the bottom and slide this plug out. Using the small flat blade screwdriver, carefully not to break it off, lift up on that tab and slide the switch forward. And we can remove it. Now I'm going to push the old on-off button from the outside of the control panel with my finger and I'm going to slide it out. This is the old on-off button next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to drop the new button and there's 2 we can call legs, slides into these cutouts and we're gonna drop it in. So hold it, turn it over, check if it fits good from outside, and it is. So we can proceed with installation. The switch goes over. If you can see, there's 1, 2 and 3 and 4 channels that will lock over this 4 tabs here on the sides. I'm going to put it in and then push it back so it will lock. Now we can connect the plug. I'm going to place this bracket on the top and these 2 hooks goes in there. This opening at the bottom there. Locks, and then I'm going to push down this side. Now we're going to install the control panel back on. There's 6 tabs at the bottom of the control panel and there's 6 slots on the outer door panel. They'll have to interlock. So we're going to put it down. And let's check at the bottom. Yep, it's good. And now we can secure it with the 6 screws on the top. And now we can install these 6 screws on the top to secure the control panel. They're Torx 20, and we're using a Torx 20 screwdriver. And close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.